Hi and welcome to this channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process that you can use to delete a YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have here several YouTube accounts and there's one that I'm not using, this one, and it is this that I want to delete. So because I'm not using it, I want to delete it, and therefore the best way to do it is to click on it and then go to settings. Under this, go to accounts. Now from accounts, go to channel managers. And here we have a function that asks you add or remove managers. Go ahead and click on it. Now this is the brand account, Alpha S to Z. And now you can see there is delete your brand account. You are told you can permanently delete your brand account and all its services and data. So I want to go ahead and delete, click on delete account. Now from here, you will be asked to acknowledge that the function you are performing is irreversible, and you'll have to tick on this before you can go ahead and delete. So this, you are agreeing with YouTube that they're not liable for the loss should any data be lost. Once you have ticked the two, now the delete account button will be active. Go ahead and click on it. Once you delete, now you can see it is under deleted account. At some point, maybe you will also be asked to enter your password to confirm your action. So by following these steps, you'll be able to delete your account. As you can see, now it falls under deleted account. Thank you for watching and bye bye.